test is running.
Yeah.
Here you can see the brain activity, and she's awake, but she's quiet.
Yeah.
So that's why from time to time you can see it goes like this. When they're asleep, it's a flat line.
Okay.
And this is her right ear, and the blue line is left ear.
Okay.
And